We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at apartment 602. This is an angle style apartment on the top floor of this 6th floor building. We'll enter and the kitchen is on our left. You can see the refrigerator, there's cabinets and drawers, the dishwasher and sink, there's a microwave, there's an electric stove and oven. As we go on into the apartment, this style of apartment, this number 602 style, has the bathroom in the kitchen, across from the kitchen. So let's take a look as we're going by there. It's the same bathroom we've seen in the other units with the standing tub shower, the vanity, and the toilet. And in this apartment, the next door on the left will be the closet. So here's a look at the closet space in here. And in the room, we'll always have the bookshelf, the dining table and chair, the desk and chair, the dresser, and the full-size bed. So this is an angle style apartment. It means the window has an angle shape to it. We'll go take a look. We're on the south side of the building and we're on the top floor. There is an elevator in the building. So you can see there's definitely some great afternoon sun coming in. So this is an especially bright side of the building, especially in the afternoons. And being on the top floor, we can see over the building next door, and we have some great valley and hill views over here to the south and also to the west. You can see one of the other angle window apartments right next door to us. That's the window from the apartment next door. The air conditioner is under the window over here. I like how they've set the bed up in this position in this apartment, so you can see that it does fit this way if there is wall space on the apartment over here. So that would be like the number 02 style on the back of the building. So just to show you some different furniture configurations, it sticks out just a bit, but that's a nice way to set up your bed in this apartment. So we're in apartment number 602. This is a 02 style apartment. We have this model on floors 2 through 6. This is the top floor. So again, the highest floor you can see over the building next door. We're in the building Collegetown Center, located at 151 Dryden Road, right in central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block from campus.